With your brother? Careful, I don't know. River crossing. Traversing. Just be careful, rocks are slippery. Don't make Meme scared when she sees the video. It is moss. Well, don't rush him either. Give him space. With your hands ready to catch yourself, that's how. Hey, don't stick your hand in holes. You'll find a snake or something. A badger. A mink. Oh, baby down, see? Now imagine you fell off a cliff that way. That's why we don't go near ledges and edges. Oh, good thing for water shoes. Oh, that's a cool tree. You should stop and take a picture. Got it.